So hi, my name is Rita. I work as a tour guide in London, outside London as well, and a photographer. So as a tour guide especially, I work with various different people from different backgrounds, and where you use my voice and in different languages as well. What did I think of the workshop? I found it quite informative, challenging also. It was interesting to have a feel for what it is and the realities of it as well, and to be pushed a bit further from what I normally do also, because it is different. It's a different way to use the voice, to use the speech to bring out emotions and all this. I think the practical side of it was very useful, and also was very funny to explore the voices and to hear others, actually to see the range that everyone could do, and it was very funny. There was some quite funny performances, and so it was interesting experience. Yes, definitely. If I enjoyed myself, yes, very much. It is a very nice introduction. Nice range of people with different voices, and the testimonials, the hands-on transmission of Martin was quite important, because he has the practical experience, and that was very, very good, because it felt like then we learned from someone that is actually on the job normally, and that was very good.